Hello, welcome back to the channel. This is Jay. I have a project share for you today. It's participating in the doll play with MLK, and this is for Memory Lane Keepsakes. It's her doll play, and this is my May edition. So what I did was I made this little doll. She's a gorgeous girl doll, and she's a little bee. And this is what she looks like. This is what it looks like. And so I wanted to make a card for a friend. And she was feeling kind of down and not feeling too good. And she said she keeps, gets a cold like me. So I made the little bee card for her. Made the little gorgeous girl with the bee. I also used a stamp. I used this clear stamp that I got from Hobby Lobby on sale. So I've got that. That's where I got the background from and the bees. So I used that. So that's my May doll play with MLK. So this is my doll for the month. Also, and to go along with that, I made this box for my friend. I used this Tim Holtz Biggs die for the flower box, for the flower pot. And these were flowers that I got from Hobby Lobby, I think. And the ribbon around the box is Dollar Tree ribbon. And inside, I have some vitamin C tablets for my friend. So I'm going to give her the card and the vitamin C so she can start to feel better. She always says so, but she needs to feel better. And I've been taking them, so I'm feeling much better. This is the ribbon that I found at the Dollar Tree, along with this ribbon. I didn't use this one, but I did use the ones with the bees. So that's my project share for doll play with MLK. Thank you for tuning in today. Please give this video a thumbs up. Really helps my channel. I'll see you all in the next video. Be the reason somebody smiles, and have a great weekend. Bye now.